Hi! Welcome to Vicky Learns Something. So let's start this. Do hiccups make you uncomfortable? Yes. Do they make you frown and cry? Yes. Do they make you want to rip your hair out? Yes! Well, today we are going to tell you how to get rid of your hiccups. Yay! Yes, I found a way to get rid of hiccups. So there's like this video. It's like there's a video and the link will be in the description. So what you're gonna do is you're going to watch that video. And as you're watching that video, you're gonna close your eyes and breathe lightly. Someone commented on that video that is what gets rid of your hiccups faster. It actually gets rid of your hiccups instantly. Yeah, it actually works and it's amazing. It makes me really happy. So, yeah. That is what Vicky has learned today. And yeah, I just think that whatchamacallit, it is possibly the best way to get rid of your hiccups, and it like gets rid of them instantly. I tried it and it's just a miracle worker, so like I suggest you try it. Yeah, sorry this was a short video. Bye.